Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu says, after taking off the ihram for Umrah, a man should perform the circumambulation of the house before wearing the ihram for Hajj. When he rides towards Arafat, he should make sacrifice of whatever is available to him, either a camel or a cow, or a goat, or whatever he wants to sacrifice. If sacrificial animal is not available to him, he should observe 3-day fast during the Hajj season before the day of Arafah. There is no harm if the last fast happened to occur during the 3 days of Arafah. He should then go and stay in Arafah from the Asr prayer until the darkness prevails. Then, when the people come back from Arafat, he should also return and spend the night along with others at Muzdalifah. And remember Allah Jalla Jalaluhu a lot and keep pronouncing takbeer and tahleel until it is morning. He should then return along with the other people from Muzdalifah, as Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has said. Then the thing is this, that O men of the Quraysh, you also return from the same place whence the other people return, and seek forgiveness from Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. No doubt Allah Jalla Jalaluhu is forgiving, merciful, until you stone the Jamra. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4521.